This is my website, Wikimedia. On Wikimedia, you can easily manage your projects online by just creating an account, signing up, and then easily adding due dates, times, priorities, anything specific to that matter. The mission of Wikimedia is to bring artists and other users the ability to use stock images, pictures, designs, and collaborate with other artists on different projects to create a much better project. It could also be used for large companies and organizations to help collaborate with different teams. So like say you have a development department with the design team, you can bring both of those teams together on this one website just to have them all work on the same project and be all on the same page. The mission statement of Wikimedia is very simple. We are Wikimedia, but we're not that devious. We help with their project management, and you need project management completed. Look at that, we already have something in common. You have ideas, and we can make those ideas a reality. It's really all that simple, creative, functional, and inspired. These are the elements at our core that we want to share with you and bring to the user experience. With no high fees and no fees at all for a user account, users can easily sign up for free, log right in, and start creating their projects on demand. On our homepage here, you can easily register right at the top here. By clicking on that, it'll bring you to the register page, which you can sign up for a user account, or you can also go to the call to action in the bottom right here and easily sign up for a user account. By clicking on that, it'll bring up the registration page, which we can begin to fill out the information needed. So by easily filling out your first name, last name, email, creating your username, and just double checking your password, all you have to do is click on the sign up now, and you have automatically been logged in and registered to your account name. Once you're on the dashboard page, as you can see, as of the moment, we don't have any projects inside of here. To easily make a project, all you have to do is click right on here, or at the very top of the navigation, you can click on projects. Inside here as well too, it gives you different options for different tasks in which you can give to your different team members. And you can easily add your team members by going directly to the user section here, and it'll show up with the tag section. All you have to do is type in their username and easily add them to your account, so that way they're able to access and modify different projects that you have on file, as well as modifying their projects. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and make a brand new project. We can do it by just clicking right on here or in the navigation at the top. And this is going to bring us directly to our project section. Inside here, we can easily click on Create Project. It's going to come up with our modal and it's going to ask for a name. We'll just name it Wikimedia Admin. We'll give the project description as a test project. And this area can be as long as you want it to be. Pretty much you can add a very, very descriptive form, or you can have a very simple and brief description. Next, when you go to the project due date, it'll pop up with the box that you can assign a project due date for your users. So we'll say on August 28th we want this project to be due, and as of right now it is on time, so we're going to give it the checkbox of on time. And we're going to hit Add Project. And right then and there it's going to add the project to our list. As you can see here, the project description, the status of the project, and as well the project name is all listed within this one area. So as you can see here, we have an urgent project at the top. You can easily click and drag the sections and rearrange them as need be based on the project's urgency. So say if you have a very urgent project, I just clicked and dragged it up to the top, whereas the other one here is just a normal status, which will stay at the bottom. And we can easily delete the normal one because that project's already due and all set. And then that'll remove the project from your current projects page. Now if you go back to your dashboard as well, it'll also show a quick access view of the project that you have here. So right now we do have an urgent one, so you can see as the bottom bar that we didn't have any projects before is now gone. So now that I've adjusted my projects, I'm going to go ahead and log out, and it'll bring me directly back to the home page. Here you can see is some of the latest news coming from Wikimedia themselves, all the different information about what's going on, the different projects you can do, collaboration with DeviantArt, and then as well too how you can manage the time very easily with the actual projects that go on here. Down at the bottom it gives a little bit about Wikimedia as well too, and then you can easily sign in by clicking the sign in button, and it'll create a drop down right for you asking for the username and password, and you're all set after that.